Welcome to GU299. Let's begin to understand the learning through service proposition. First, let's identify three key terms that we will need for this course. The first term is service learning, secondly, community service, and third, community-based learning. Let's look at each one individually. Service learning is when students engage in intentional learning relative to their academic discipline. In community service, students engage to meet a need in their community. Community-based learning, students engage to meet a community need while achieving academic goals. In community service, the students may or may not be using their academic discipline or academic goals to meet the specific community need. In community-based learning, students are achieving academic goals which may or may not be relative to their discipline. In this course, we will use these three terms interchangeably. Let's take a closer look at service learning. Through service learning, students work with their classmates and instructor to use their academic discipline and course content to understand the underlying issues. These issues may be social, economic, or political. Thus, students use problem solving to become an educated community member. Service learning goes beyond the classroom and into the community. Learning through reflection is at the center of the course. The teacher guides the student to integrate their intellectual knowledge or academic content with their community interactions and experience through reflection. Why would colleges and universities encourage service learning? It goes beyond providing free volunteering. Universities want students that are prepared to enter the job market and contribute to society. They believe these courses are a fundamental way to develop involved citizens. As students engage in service learning, they learn what it is to be a citizen both locally and globally. John F. Kennedy said, "Ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country." Through service learning, students increase civic capacity. This goes beyond thinking globally and acting locally, but it implies academic knowledge and skills to the community challenges. Then students work to positively transform themselves as well as others as they apply their skills to real-world problems and seek improvements. Overall, students gain meaningful experiences and gain the desire to see positive social changes, as well as transform their communities. Let's take a listen to several testimonials of what students have gotten out of their service learning projects. Ariel says, "The empowerment given to students created a sense of responsibility and commitment." Richard shared, "I learned to talk effectively with others and how to resolve professional differences without anger." Juan shared, "I learned to understand myself and to overcome a lot of biases I had towards the poor." Next, we will look at how service learning helps by building community partners.